Hello, my name is David Reiling, CEO of Sunrise Banks, and today I am happy to unbox and share with you the 2018 Sunrise Banks Impact Report. I am super excited about this year's report and felt that given its new look and design, it would be fun to do an unboxing. But first, here's a little context. Each year, Sunrise compiles a report to showcase the ways in which we've supported our community. This could be through our loan portfolio, our volunteer hours, or bank-hosted events. We've been putting together an impact report for 5 years now and think it's a great way to gauge our progress as a bank. If you open the front cover, you're going to see a highlight of everything that happened in 2018. Inside cover, we are clearly change makers at Sunrise. It is in our DNA. We also highlight who we are. It's very important to see the multiculturalism of Sunrise Banks, as well as our environmental impact, particularly this year adding solar on top of our headquarters. We've also had a successful year in terms of awards and affiliations, and we highlight a few. And importantly, our affiliations such as being a certified benefit corporation, as well as our membership in the Global Alliance for Banking on Values. We're one of 137 banks in the country that's certified by the U.S. Treasury as a community development financial institution and a legal benefit corporation. We have several mission-focused products in which we highlight in terms of our loan portfolio. Areas like economic development, community services, and affordable housing. We have some very unique credit builder programs to help people build their credit history, those who are either credit invisible or have poor credit that need to repair it. This is a big highlight of the report, right in the middle, our New Markets Tax Credit Program. It is our 10th anniversary. It highlights the transformational projects that we have done in Minneapolis and St. Paul. Super fun page with some great stories here. One of the more exciting parts of our business has been our FinTech partnerships this year, which has grown significantly. So much so that I wrote a book and highlighted 5 different FinTechs doing good in the world. North for Good, powered by Sunrise. This is our volunteer effort where we organize events and our customers and our vendors to get out in the community and contribute to the greater good. Giving back. Some of the fun and creativity of Sunrise is the way in which we raise money and donate our time, talent, and treasure. And so you can open up these flaps and see things like our Cards for Good at our Washington office, our Candy Grams, and our donated lunches. Chain breakers. A big deal at Sunrise. In 2018, we raised more than $21,000 to fund cancer research. Our Pay It Forward program. $25 given to each employee with just the mere suggestion of give it to someone less fortunate and tell your story. Financial wellness, helping people really navigate the complexity of financial services and helping them be successful. At Sunrise, we are change makers. We do good every day. You can see our whole team in the bottom right-hand corner of the last page of the report. I am so proud of our team and new impact report and all we've accomplished in 2018 at Sunrise. This report is a great way to showcase what we have done this year, and I look forward to continuing our efforts on working with and supporting our community in empowering financial wellness to help people achieve. Together, we are changing the world.